Okay, welcome back to another Matlab tutorial. Today we will be looking at Excel reading. All right, tutorial 5. And this is a method that I used back 10, 15 years ago. And so I just want to show you this method. There's probably other more efficient and faster ways to read an Excel file into MATLAB and then do what you need to, but I'm going to show you this. It shouldn't take too long, so let's get started. All right. Okay, so let's make a new script. So click on this, new script, make it bigger. And here is my header. Okay, so Excel reading. The script provides basic knowledge of how you read in Excel files. And I made this initial one back in 2013, but let's update this. 21. So Happy New Year. 2022 is coming. Okay, and then main code, CLC, clear all and close all. And let's copy this. Okay. Let's see. No, we're not going to do writing yet. I'm just going to read in a file. Okay. Well, we can do writing, and we can do writing Excel and writing text files in another tutorial. Okay. All right. So, okay, take that out too. All right. So let's read an Excel file. Okay, we're going to make an Excel file called grades.xls. Okay, make sure that Excel file is .xls. Okay, so not the newer version. Okay, and you want to make sure that that is in the same folder. So I'm going to make sure I save this script first. So downloads. Let's just make a new folder and call it Excel reading. And we'll just call it read Excel files. So files. Okay. And then here is, whoops. This one right here, and click this. Okay. So what we have here is I created this. We have assignment, which is column A. We have homework grades, column B. We have test grades, column C. And let's just center these. Okay. All right. And we're going to go to File, Save As. And I'm going to save it. In Downloads, Excel reading. And what you want to make sure is the save type. You want to do Excel 97 to 2013, which is a .xls. Okay, don't do the new one, which is an X. Okay, it won't work. Okay, so do this, click save, and now this is now saved in the same location as your script. Okay, so let's go ahead and where to go here, right here. Okay, so the way to read that Excel file in is you're going to say data equals XLS read and then put the file name. Okay, so data, we're just going to read the data, and XLS read is the command. This is your file name in between single quotes, in between parentheses. So let's run it, change the folder, because we're now into that folder we created. Let's dock this. And it's running. Okay, let me just run it again because it does sometimes take a little bit. Down here, if you noticed, let's run it again. Look at the bottom left of the screen. It says busy. Wait for that to be done. Okay, so if we type data, boom, we have all the information that we have from this Excel file, all the data, okay? So what I like to do then is I need to look at, okay, what is this column 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, the column 2 and column 3, okay? So let's put assignment number, that is data, colon, comma 1. So if you remember back a few tutorials, we talked about this right here is the row, and then this is the column. So what we're going to do is this grabs the first column, all of the values, because it has a colon here. Okay. Homework grades. This is data, colon 2. And then you've got test grades, which is data, colon, comma 3. Okay. So let's run this. It's busy, finished. And then you could type whos just to see how big they are. So make sure that they're all 5 by 1s that you've assigned here. Okay. And the double means it's a number. So let's just look at homework and click. If you type HW and then hit tab, it'll actually find that value in your workspace, and you click enter, and you want to make sure that those are correct. And just double check these are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and close this Excel file. So now we can do something. The data you inputted. Okay. So let's just calculate the average. Mean of homework grades, either 80% of your grades, and then test grades. Mean of test grades times 0.2. Run it. And then you'll see average will pop up in your workspace, so you have an 86.4 average in this class. Okay. Now, why do I like to read Excel files in? Well, sometimes when you get information from like a physics app on your phone that you did some physics with, say you took a video and you put dots on and you have a whole bunch of data points from that. There's probably 1,000 or 2,000. I am not a fan, sorry, of using Excel to make graphs. I just read that data in and then run it and do any type of data analysis that I need in Matlab. It's much quicker, and I can look at the graphs and do all of that with just hitting run. Okay. One thing that I don't think I've told you before, but I always click run. Well, if you click F5, it also runs the code. Okay, so no shortcut. All right, so very quick, about 11 minutes in, I just wanted to show you how you would read Excel files in. This is my method. This is how I use it. Until they stop using XLS Read, then I'll figure out a new way. But this for me is the most efficient in my eyes for me. Okay, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.